Mastering kindly. Perfect your polite requests in English. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to focus on an essential word in English that can really help to soften your requests and add a touch of politeness to your conversations. Yes, you've guessed it right. It's the word kindly. In this video, we will understand its usage, and importantly, we'll learn about positioning kindly in a sentence. So, let's get started. Kindly is an adverb which means in a kind manner. It's often used to make requests sound more polite and less direct. Here are some examples. Kindly remove your shoes. Could you kindly check this report for me? Notice how the word kindly changes the tone of these sentences, making them seem less abrupt and more courteous. When making a request, we often place kindly at the beginning of the sentence. This is a very formal way of speaking or writing. It's often used in official contexts or when addressing someone you don't know very well. Here's an example. Kindly provide your feedback on the proposal. In this sentence, kindly precedes the main verb, provide, making the request sound more formal and respectful. Now, kindly isn't always placed at the beginning. It can also be positioned in the middle of a sentence. When placed after a modal verb like can, could, would, or after a phrase like please, it provides a softer, slightly less formal tone. Here's an example. Could you kindly pass the salt? In this sentence, kindly is used after the auxiliary verb could and before the main verb pass, adding a layer of politeness to the request. Kindly can also be used in negative sentences to make polite requests or suggestions. For example, kindly do not disturb. Could you kindly not make so much noise? These sentences show that kindly can be effectively used in negative sentences to make a polite request. And that's it for today's lesson. We've explored the different ways we can position kindly in a sentence to make our requests more polite and less direct. Whether it's at the beginning, in the middle, or even in negative sentences, kindly is a powerful tool to refine your English speaking skills. Remember, the key to mastering any language is practice, so don't forget to use kindly in your everyday conversations. We hope you found this video useful. Keep learning, and we'll see you in the next lesson.